Okay, we are headed out. Bike's loaded. I think I have everything packed. We'll see. We'll check in down the road. Well, I thought I was gonna run out of gas, but luckily this Smiley Creek Lodge had gas for $5.76 a gallon. So I bought a sticker to signify that I was rescued, and then I'll be headed down to Stanley, so I'll hopefully get some lunch down there. But yeah, I'm just gonna drink a yerba mate and get out of here. We'll see what happens. Alright, how's it going? Made it to Stanley. Just got gas. I'm gonna get lunch here. But man, it's pretty. So I'm gonna hit Highway 21 next. So check you later. So this is the river coming out of Loman, and on the side there's a little place called Kirkham Hot Springs, and it's this right over here. You essentially park over here, walk down, and then you soak under this little hot spring waterfall. There's a couple of different pools. Just getting gas here in Garden Valley, I think it is. But you can tell the smoke is really bad. And it's starting to smell a lot, so it'll be interesting to see what going down that canyon will look like. So we'll check in. Wish me luck. All right, this is just outside of Riggins. Pretty cool because you get out of a bunch of lush green canyons, and then you get into these tall, dry desert mountains. So it's pretty cool. And they're just really unique and distinct. And they're tall, man. They just jut up out of nowhere. So there's a lot of rafting that goes on up here. A bunch of outfitters. And that's it. like to give a shout out to frickin' Idaho and its amazing beauty. So this road is Highway 12. It's about 102 miles, and this is all it is. And it's such a treat to get up here and get to ride it. We might hit some rain today, but that's okay. Still worth it. Seeing if I can find any fish down there. Yeah, pretty morning. Bike's running great. Check you later. Hey, good morning. Just climbing out of Star Valley. Very beautiful morning. Hit a nice warm pocket, so that was nice. Bike's running good. And just enjoying my last day on the open road.